How to create dual apps on an Android phone. In this video, I'll show you how to create dual apps on your Android phone. Start by opening the Settings app on your device and selecting Apps. Next, tap Dual Apps, App Cloner, Clone Apps, or Parallel Apps, depending on your phone model. You'll now see a list of supported apps that can be duplicated. Simply turn on the toggle switch beside the app you want to clone. Once enabled, a second copy of the app will be created automatically. You can use it to sign in with a different account, making it easy to manage two accounts on the same phone. The duplicated app will appear in your app drawer or home screen with a small badge or icon indicating that it's the cloned version. That's it. You've successfully created dual apps on your Android phone. If you find this video informative, click on like, share, and subscribe for more videos.